So hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In the previous video we are talking about Plotex, and due to some miscommunication we have left it in the middle. So let's complete it guys. So getting into the video. So Plotex. So what is Plotex? What is the chain which it is based on? It is based on Polygon chain. So on Polygon chain it gives us 20 Plotex tokens for signing up on their website. So let's check it out guys. So as you can see, sign up and get 350 bonus. So just click on, do not type your email ID, just click on MetaMask. So click on connect and you would be connected successfully. So create as many wallets as you want. Okay, so the wallet does not meet the eligibility criteria for the sign up. But why? I would be showing you. Just a second guys. Because this doesn't have any transactions in my smart chain. Okay, so if you try it with the other wallet which has any single transaction, that's enough. Okay, so coming back, so this is my another wallet. So let's check here. So I have already claimed it. So after claiming, what we have to do? So as you can see, we have 20 plot here. So you need to decide either the value of Ethereum goes up or down. Okay, so what is the value of 20 plot? So I would be thinking that by today 6:30 p.m. Ethereum would be going around 3570. No, I don't think so. So I'd be 3535. Yeah, maybe. So I would be max. So let's max this and predict plot with 20. So if we won guys, so we would be getting around 225 rupees. Sorry, 255 rupees. Click on confirm. Sign the message, click on OK. So after clicking on OK, either it would be up or down. If it is up, we would be getting our money which we have invested. If it is down, we would be getting nothing. Then how, if we get nothing, how can we be quiet? So you need to create multiple wallet. If you're placing a bet on going up in a single wallet, you need to place going down in another wallet. So you would be having more chances of winning. So as you can see, 30 out of 100 plot make predictions. So we still have 10 plot. So you can use it again. So if you lost now also, you still have 10 plot, and you can see your placed bets. You can click on the three dot on the right side top corner beside a human image, and you can see round history. If you can see round history, you can see all the coins with USDT pair. So these are all the coins which are bidding right now. So you either goes up or down within a certain time of period. Okay, so we still have 10 plot. We have already gave a bet on 20 plot. So make sure you join with multiple wallets. So I would be making another video also, how to overcome this and how to withdraw these tokens also. So if you like my video, just like, share and subscribe guys. Every like gives me motivation to bring more videos like this. Okay, thank you so much guys. Bye bye.